now guys, I'm a brand ambassador for Essential Stencil. My name is Melissa. So that's what we're going to do tonight. And you're going to see that this little frame I got, I'm going to show you using scrapbook paper and your stencils or your transfers. This is a $4 frame from the Dollar General. We're going to choose, I've got a lot of scrapbook paper here. I've picked out some stencils for each season. So fall, winter, spring, and summer. And so I'm going to just kind of lay these out, because the other thing that you can also do is you don't even have to. Like, you can throw some of these in there and then they just become a cute little print in a frame. So you can use that as well, just for some extra pieces. But they're all going to store nicely inside of the frame. I was literally getting ready. Yeah, that'll fit in there. So we could do that one. So now what you need to do is just pick a background. You would need to size it to the size of this. So we'll just grab this. Do you want to cut it? So you just want to probably scoot it down as far to the bottom of it as you can, and it might go off of it, and that's okay if it goes over a little bit. It won't hurt a thing because it'll still go in the frame. That's cute. Oh, that's a good background. Oh yeah, that looks good. That is adorable. That turned out really cute. So look at how cute that's going to be when we pop that in the frame. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. Okay, so we're going to start with the spring. This set right here. And it has Easter. It has Happy Easter and Hello Spring. That's why I chose it. So you can get kind of a 2-for-1 in this. So I think this one might be a little bit big, but we can do the word Hello Spring. So I'm going to pull this Christmas green because that's really going to pop on that pink.
And just pounce it.
Pounce and swirl. Fill it in. However works the best on that paper. You just want to fill in the holes. And he surprised me with it. Oh, isn't that cute? Very cute.
Do you want to put it up there?
Yeah.
Make sure I get it.
So, isn't that cute? That's going to look very cute in the frame. So we've got a spring, we've got a winter. Let's do, okay, so far that's 2. Okay. I will do maybe a 4th of July one. They sold them just, so I asked my mom, well I asked my cousin, because it was her mom that did it with my mom, and I asked about if my mom had ever seen that before, and my mom had not. I'm going to do this in silver. And I went to go, look at it. My cousin's like, well, it's already sold, and I was bummed, but I wasn't, devastated. I just thought it's not meant to be, so that's okay. Sometimes things aren't meant to be. And then whenever he brought it, it's just so cool. It is such a neat cabinet. So here's the other cool part of this project, you guys. You can't mess it up, because guess what? If you mess it up, you are going to have more scrapbook paper. I don't think I love it. It is kind of shadowed. It's not bad. Purple. Bring the purple. We'll do purple and white. I don't know. I've got a lot of them cut, so we'll just see what we end up with. Do I not have white paint in that? Don't spray it out everywhere. Oh, you got some. Okay.
Boom. It goes flying.
I know.
You also had that one.
That one's off-white. Okay. So let's line up this little guy. You might want to use a different brush. Try one of the bigger ones this time, like this one. Or this one, or something. Maybe one of these. And you can offload on this. There you go. And just keep moving right over the whole thing. Go on over his head. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Just plain purple. So we got the little background. So that'll go in the frame. So what else do we need? Let's do a Christmas.
Should we put an eye on it?
I feel like the deer would look good on this one. We could do a deer on this one. This would look good on here. In black. Or that pavement right here. Let's do that. We'll put him on there. You could create this to anybody that you want. Try to stay in the edge of the stencil. See here? Like, try not to go off of this because you'll get it on the paper. You see what I mean? Okay, go ahead. See?
Maybe.
You need some fingernails there, sister? Okay, that looks good. I feel like that looks really good. You want to hold up to the camera and show them?
I never point it in the right direction. Like
Just hold it up. See where my cameras are. All the way up there. There you go. Yep. That one looks good. Okay, let's do a Santa or Christmas one. Let me just lay that down. And then
I don't know. Do you still think about?
the eye. You want to put the eye on there?
I think I do.
Okay.
I don't know if they said anything about it, but
We can put an eye on there. I feel like Santa would look good on this one in red.
really,
I kind of do. I think it'll make him look vintage. No. It's not very easy with me, my arms in there. Here you go. Ooh. It's not bad. Probably not my favorite, but it is.
Ugh.
It's kind of cute. It does look vintage. That'll look cute, I feel like. Okay. You want to do the gingerbread on that one? With the boy or the girl? Genius.
I wondered what Tim would think of me being on the live tonight.
Oh, is that what he said? Genius. You're so smart, Mackenzie. Good call. Was the thought to frame them or make them cards? Just to frame them, so you can switch out your decor every season. That's what it was.
There.
Cute. Seasonal decor. The deer looks really good in there. Look at that. We don't have any fall. So we do have the spring. This is going to look cute. That looks cute. Hello, spring. 4th of July. That's going to look good in there, too. Ooh, that looks really good. That turned out better than I thought. Look. That looks good. It matches the frame,
I think it's
actually.
a little dark.
It is a little dark. This is probably my favorite.
That's my favorite.
That is cute. That is very cute in there. So then all of these will stack on top of each other in there. I feel like it's a really easy gift. Well, let's look at these little cuties.
The little gingerbread.
Oh, that's so cute. And so these would work in any 4x7 frame, not just this one. So if you have a white frame, these will look different in different frames as well. So that is cute though. But the idea is that they'll swap out for so many things. And you could make these gifts with what you have on hand.
Oh.
Oh, so many papers. And then we've got this little cutie. That's cute. A little cute elf. That's adorable.
Those transfers are awesome.
Uh-huh. They're all pretty awesome. All right, you guys. Thank you so much. Come back next Tuesday. We'll see you next time. Good night.